Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your Face ID is not working on an iPhone. So let's get started. First, you gotta make sure nothing is covering the front camera or TrueDepth sensor. Clean the top part of your screen if needed. Next, you gotta go to settings and here scroll down, click on Face ID and passcode. Simply type down your passcode for verification and make sure iPhone unlock is toggled on. Also, you gotta make sure that all the other features are also toggled on. Now, try restarting your iPhone once because temporary glitches can stop Face ID from working properly. If it still doesn't work, you can go back to Face ID and passcode. Scroll down, click on tap reset Face ID and set up your face again from scratch. Also, make sure your iPhone is updated by going to settings again and go to general, click on software update and make sure that your iOS is updated to the latest version. If Face ID still doesn't work, then you can go to the nearest hardware store because it could be a hardware issue with the TrueDepth camera system. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.